am leaving Cambodia. It is time. It has been nearly 3 months. I expected to stay for 1 week. And just remember, your day will be wonderful. Eat a croissant. Let's go. I'll see you on the bus. Sarah. Hello, boss. How are you?
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you, brother.
Oh. You're welcome. Nice to... Sarah. With Sarah, right?
Sarah.
Yeah, thank you. Looking at the Laos border and it's like 2.5 hours. The next city, so $20 extra. No problem. Let's go.
Coffee for you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay. You're feeding me? Oh, thank you, Auntie. Thank you. What's his name? Oh, I can't. Okay. I can't. Ah, okay, thank you. No more. Maybe aphrodisiac. I think you're flirting. Too many. I can't. Finish. Okay, finish. I'm done. Finish. Oh, you correct. Oh, okay. I want for you. Oh, okay. Finish. No more. Finish. No, slow. No. Okay. Finish. No. No. Finish. Is it okay? Okay. Thank you. It's like the one in Cambodia. When I went to Thailand in Osmak, the walk from Cambodia to Thailand was like 10 seconds. Just ooh. And then some are like this. Yeah, I saw people in the reviews complaining like, oh, most corrupt thing. I'm like, bro, just $2. They don't get paid much.
They don't pay for the visa, they don't get paid.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's like people that complain of like, oh, they scammed me. I paid like $1 extra for a t-shirt or a tuk-tuk. I'm like, bro, just fucking pay it. But I tried to get a motorbike back into Vietnam a couple of times. Yeah. And getting my Vietnamese into Cambodia, they didn't realize I had a motorbike until they'd stamped me. So, yes, sure. Hello. I don't know. D. Where you? Yeah, this one. Yeah. I was an extra. You guys already have visa? Is that why?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. We keep you waiting. You want tissue?
Yeah, brother.
What for? I have some. I'm just curious.
Nothing to mischievous mates to blow my nose. Oh, thank you so much.
I need a little bit because I left my glasses.
Thank you, mate. What's your name, sir?
Bradley.
Bradley. Fraser.
Nice to meet you. Gotta do what we gotta do.
Ah, this one is sitting.
I think he wants to take.
Ah, okay. My mind is not working, sorry. Excuse me. Yeah.
Got it.
Gerald, excuse me.
There you go. Now you need to make sure when he accelerates, you don't roll in either direction.
I haven't bought the travel insurance.
We are the island crew, right?
Yes.
Okay, good, good.
Ferry.
Yeah.
I don't know what they're on about. What's it called?
Paxi, Baxi.
No, taxi.
Oh, the place you guys went about.
Oh, maybe. Do you want me to hold your arm? I'll cling to you. Go on, son. Yes, fucking saved.
Yeah, $1. See you later. Only one stop, right? Like,
I have no idea, my dude. I'm the one with the least info. I didn't even know I was coming here today.
You done that? Only one stop.
I sold it for like 220 because
It's like that one.
yeah, I pretty much needed to just get out the country. My visa. I lost the blue card as well, so.
oh, you lost your car. Mate, right, so I'm with her the night before.
Do this one.
Oh, okay.
Twang. Sing tang.
Sure.
This one.
The one chance.
Sing taban 2. How much?
50,000.
Which is how many dollar?
$2.
Okay, no problem. I don't think you can do here. We go swimming. Okay. Oh, wow. Master. Thank you so much. You?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. I wish to book. I have no booking. See, what is the price? I see online. Ah, perfect. I can book online, or you want?
Book, yeah, pay me.
What is better, cash or online? Cash, money.
No, online.
This is it. No aircon. Oh, it'll do for now. Yeah. I don't even know why I do it. We've ended up on the 4,000 islands. You can see it's not the best weather. I woke up at 5 AM today to try and show you guys the sunset, but nothing came of that. But you can see the mist and the fog right there in the distance. Thousands of islands here next to the waterfall that connects into Cambodia. We'll have breakfast and then walk or bicycle. What time is this? I have another bag, wait. Oh. Alright, you can't kill me today. See you later, bird. Have a good one. Wait. Thank you. Bye. No adventure today. You have to drive safe. So better I go there, or better I go to Green Paradise?
No, just go.
I take this one as well?
It's Nakasang for a life.
I should take this one or my one?
No, just this one I cancel.
Thank you for your service, sir.
Oh, of course, my friend. How was fishing? Catch many?
We caught one and then we just went and got shit-faced. Like.
Right, mate.
Thank you.
Back off.
One more?
Back to you, eh?
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Lie back here.
Right in the back. Right in the back. Woo! Wow. Oh my fucking god, bro.
Have a nice day and good luck on the loop too.
You
so,
too, man.
yeah,
Good
thank
luck.
you.
Alright, man. See you later. Nice. Good luck. Good luck. You're inspiring, you lot. Bye. You too. Our first real town, which is pretty new to me. No idea what we're dealing with in Laos, whether it's safe or there's bad alleys or anything. But as with everything, there's only one way to find out. Our hotel isn't on booking or any of that. It's a recommendation. So we gotta find it. Apparently it's very close, 1 minute away. Kampong, Sivahong. Might be this fucking huge building here. Oh no, it's the little building on the left. Never mind. This is it. Let's see. Oh, hello. Hello. With desk. This one. With desk. And this one too. That's cool. Thank you. Dollar is okay?
No.
Oh, can I pay kip later? I go to bank. Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you. We are officially in. Oh, big place. Holy moly. Over there. Oh, motorbike. I asked for a desk. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Oh, this is lovely. Wow, wow, wow. Perfection. Whew. Perfection. So, how much did it cost? That's the question. Oh, perfect view. That's fine. Perfect. How much did it cost? It cost, it's 12. It's £26 a night. You got everything you need. There's your boy. We're all travelled out, man. We've done what? We did like 14 hours on the bus to get to the island, and then straight away after the island we got shit done in that one day. Did so much. And then the very next morning, bus again. 5 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours maybe. I don't fully feel like I've arrived in Laos yet, because the first stop on the island felt very secluded. It didn't feel like any particular country, right? It just felt like a very remote kind of island. Tomorrow I'll do some editing, hopefully get another video out. And the next day I guess we look around, see what's kicking off. But yeah, not bad, man. For £6, saving money, running out of money. So they're all staying in a hostel, sharing a dormitory, and fair play to them. They're young, they're having fun, but if I can get my own room for £6, ooh, happy, happy days. Also, I really want to show you, but like in Laos and Cambodia, I don't know how that looks to the camera or to an average viewer, but let me show you one. Like this, It looks pretty good to me. It looks okay, but they won't accept this because there's a slight crease just down here. Your dollars need to be pristine condition, all of them. Otherwise they just don't accept them. Even the banks will say no sometimes. So yeah, a lot of things say, oh, bring dollars, don't bring dollars, just bring the regular normal currency, because I'm fucking sat here with like $150 or whatever that I just can't use. Nobody takes them because they're not mint condition. So yeah, you know, is what it is. Also, yeah, look at this bit of money. It's 10k Laotian or Lao. Right, so you might be thinking, what is it like in Laos in terms of cost of living and all of this and food, and what if I'm a lazy fuck and I don't like to go out to restaurants and all this and I want to be really, really lazy? I've got obviously the room for £6 a night, which is a bargain. We have egg and noodles with a bunch of different condiments and kind of fruit and garlic and everything you want to add to yourself. We have pork and vegetable rice, which looks fine, and then weird one, kimchi pizza. Okay, we have a bottle of orange, Pepsi, full bottle of water. How much do you think it is? Delivered as well, so delivery fees are always higher. Restaurants add that. In total it came to about $10, which for delivered food, you know, £8, something like that, with 2 drinks, this, kimchi, rice, all the condiments, chilies, peas, fucking egg, some more kimchi. Not bad. Kimchi pizza. I love kimchi, I love pizza. Does it go together? Not really. With kimchi you always get that tang, that it's like light and cold. It's like, and it's a lovely little refresher. Because it's really, really, really hot, kind of just tastes really fishy.